Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, solid-state drive if installed, system board, display panel assembly, display panel, left display panel hinge, and display panel cable. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Remove the tape that secures the webcam cable to the G sensor. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the G sensor board. Peel back the metallic shielding that secures the webcam cable to the display enclosure. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel and tape that secures it to the display enclosure. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Remove the webcam cable. Replacement. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the G sensor board. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel and replace the tape that secures it to the display enclosure. Replace the metallic shielding that secures the webcam cable to the display enclosure. Replace the tape that secures the webcam cable to the G sensor board.